Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to log on to the new Odysseyware app. It's just a little thing that you guys can use. It gives you some cool lessons. And so we're going to start using that just like one day a week. So you're going to log into your class link. I'm under Reese's so that it'll show up like a student. So go ahead and log into your class link and you're going to look for this icon. It says Odysseyware. It's a red O and a blue W. You're going to click on there. And then you're going to log in using whatever you log in to get on class link. So Reese uses this. And then you click this button underneath and it'll take you to Ready, Set, Learn. And it might come up with this and you're just going to say, I agree. You're going to click that little button right here and then click Let's Get Started. And then you're going to click and watch a video. Okay, it's going to show you kind of how this works. And then after you click the video and watch the whole thing, you're going to click Learn. And look there, Reese and everybody has an assignment. So you're going to click on your assignment and it will take you right there and it'll show you there's a fun video to watch and it's about 10 more, 10 less. And it'll turn it into Miss G when you're all done. And then when you get done with your lesson, you can X out or you can just click sign out and that's how you do it. And then next time you can log back in. I hope this video is a little bit helpful and you guys will enjoy using Odysseyware. Great job.